Hello, it's Daisuke. Today, I'm going to be going with cooking. Increase my food happiness. At first, I don't do washing dish generally, so I gotta go wash these stuff to up here to washing no what not washing dip no soak into hot water because my kitchen hot water doesn't work. So yes, what's this? Dishwash frog. Yes. This is tapper. Tapper. I soaked. What's this? Dishwasher and water in few days. I've been soaked this tapper since I don't know two day last week not last week I don't know 3 days ago. So it's clean. Okay. I'm cook rice today. It's my pan for cooking rice, made out of clay, made out of ground. And this is rice dipped in water for 1 day to 2 days. This is brown rice. It's harder than normal one. So you have to soak well. Okay. And this is important to decide how much you have to water your first connection. First or second, I forgot, but it's okay. First, I learned it in school, and here fridge. This is meat, chicken bowl. Okay. And what's this? I like it. It's shochu, alcohol drink for sure. I like shochu in it. I don't drink recently, so my shochu is not going out, running out. This is tomato. I was cooking rice with eringi before, but recently I realized that tomato is cheaper than the thick mushroom. This brown rice are going to dip water. This little bugs like to eat rice. Yeah, brown rice is very cheaper than normal rice. Okay. Tomato. Okay, it's 3 of them for 180 Japanese yen in vegetable shop. Okay. And cooked in this degree fire in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Oh yeah, 20 minutes. Yes. Sure. Okay, grocery time. Pasta. Tamago. Tomato. はい。じゃあいただきます。これ映ってんのか？ Chest harness I bought. Yeah, I eat my lunch while watching anime at the same time. Okay, tasting. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. I don't say itadakimasu in with other people. Eat something with other people. I say itadakimasu, but normally eating alone or never say. Delicious.